Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your login screen background to make it really cool instead of the default Windows one, which personally I don't like. Right, so what you need to start right away is you want to press the Windows button on the bottom left and type in RUN, run, and then just click run up here. And now in here, AOE Bank, you want to type in REGEDIT, reg edit, click OK. Alright, now on the top left here, you'll see computer and then lots of different tabs you can click. You want to go into HQ local machine, software, Microsoft, I've got to remember this, then I believe it's, one second. Alright, I'm back. Right, I just couldn't remember the key it was. So you've gone into HQ local machine, right? Software, Microsoft, and then you want to go down to Windows. Completely forgot. And then current version, authentication, and you want to go login UI, and then click on background. Alright, now here, it should just say default. You might have this, you might not. OEM background. Alright, if you have this, I'll start off doing what you don't have. So if you don't have this, you just want to right click, click new, and then D word, and call it OEM background, like that. Exactly spelled like that, not spelled any differently. And just click enter. Once you've done that, you can do the next step. So you want to double click on it, and set this value data to 1, and set the base to hexadecimal. It should already be on that, but click OK now. Now save. Now there is an additional thing you can do if you want to that will change it. So at the moment, if you change your theme to something else, it will it will disable this, and your custom background on your login screen will be gone. So you want to press Windows R, or do the run thing again, and type in gpedit.msc, MSC, and click OK. Just wait for that to load. It won't take this long for you, just my computer's rubbish. Okay, and alright, I'll be back on this. Is no, it's done. Okay. So under here it says computer configuration. You want to go to administrative templates. One second, guys. Okay, so you want to go on to administrative templates, system, log on, and then on the right here, you'll see always use custom login background. Right click on that and click edit. So this will come up. It will be on disabled or not configured. Just change it to enabled. Click apply and OK. So now that's done. You can get out of this. Right, so that's the first bit done. Actually, enabling the custom background. So the next thing you want to do is go on to computer. Open up your local disk. So C drive for me. Go into Windows and System 32, and you want to look for a folder called OOB. When you find it, so just click anywhere and press O if you want, and that will pretty much find it straight away. If you click somewhere at the top, then O, find it straight away, go into that. Right, and when you're here, you just want to do this, right? You want to right click, new, one second. Be right back, guys. Alright, so what you want to do is create a new folder, so new folder, and call it info. Go into that folder, and then create a new folder inside this called backgrounds. Now, I think what you got to do now is Right, so inside this background folder, you want to get your images, so just go on the internet, and make sure they're the same size as your display. So mine here is 1080p, so you want to go on to Google Images, go into Google Images and type in whatever you want to find, let's just look for a galaxy, I don't know, in space maybe. So let's pick one that we like here. That one's quite cool. But if you look at the size there, it's too big, right? So what we can do is come to the top here and type in file type JPEG. There is another way to do this, but I don't know how you do it. I'm click on size here and exactly, and here you want to click the start button, type in display, leave this up though, leave this web page up, and click display, and this will come up, click adjust resolution, and here it will say resolution, and then there'll be two numbers. For me it's 1920 by 1080, so you want to go onto this website, put in 1920 by 1080, like that. Click go, and then you want to pick an image from the selected list here. So I could pick this. That was quite cool. Now you can see some of these websites, the images don't load in full resolution like this, and they won't download right. So another one. Make sure though that they're right. Here it says 1920 by 1080. I don't know these ones that you have to click on. So let's try this one. No. This one's quite cool, but I think if I remember right, this one's too big. Yeah. So basically, the file, all the files have a limit for the backgrounds that you can use. You can only use files that are below 256 kilobytes, I believe. So when you download them, you're just going to make sure they're below that, otherwise it just won't work. So you're going to have to either compress the file in either way and just click quickly. That's fine, that's 21 kilobytes, so you can use that. I have a slight feeling that's going to be not the right resolution. I think you need to click this download button here on this website, but just try it. So all you do is drag it into your folder like this, and right click, rename, and you want to call it a very specific name. You want to call it background and then default, like that. You don't need the capital letter, but I'm just going to check if it works by going into my lock screen. Alright, so I don't know if you saw that. You might not have, but it did work. It worked. It looked quite cool. Like I thought, it was under the right resolution, but yeah. So that's one of the methods that you can do this. It's not the one that I use when I use my custom login screen. I'll make another video, and that'll be out on Thursday, and you can watch that. And that's the other method on how you can do this. If you find that you can't find any files that are under 256, then you need to use that other method, which will work perfectly for you. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a really good Christmas. The video on Thursday will be on Christmas, so I'll remind you then. Just have a great Christmas, guys. See you then.